Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back on today with more challenge entries into the baking / memory decks challenge I am hosting. Thank you ladies for stopping by and participating and leaving comments. I truly appreciate it. All right, so I'm gonna just jump right in. I have this next entry and it's from my dear friend Sophia, who is PaperSweets here on YouTube. Hi Sophia, thank you so much for sending something in. I am a big fan of Sophia's. She's actually one of the first crafters I started watching when I first started watching YouTube. So yay, love her. It says, hi Erica, sending you hugs and big congrats on everything. Love you, Sophia. Oh, love you too, girl. She is so super sweet. All right, let me just open up her package. She's got it packaged so cute with that pretty heart. I hate to tear it, but I have to open it. Okay, so, oh my gosh. So here is her mini loaded bag. Oh my gosh, I just knew it was gonna be absolutely amazing. I love it, it's so cute. She used the doodlebug paper. Oh, I love it. Look at how super cute she's got it decorated. She's got the cute banner with a little bit of stickles and the little cute cut apart. And again, she stickled the outside. And it says love. Oh, so pretty. All right, let's take out her tags. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh. I love how you use the heart in the background. Look at her adorable mixer and it's got a heart, and then her beautiful spatula with a little bling. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. And then she's got a little extra tag off to the side that says made especially for you. Oh my gosh. I love that stamp, Sophia. How cute. And I love the tag die that you used. Oh, I love that. I want that stamp. And you guys, look at that super cute bling on the spatula. It's so pretty. Thank you, Sophia. And then this is the back, and I'm able to do a to and from on the back. Gorgeous. And then this is the second one that she made, and she did it similar to the first one. She just used different colors. And I love this paper, and I just love how you put the little bling on that, the whisk. It's not a spatula, it's a whisk, you guys. You're like, she does bake, right? No. But again, a different colored mixer, and she's got a little heart, and it says, especially for you. I love it. Thank you so much, Sophia. I can't wait to use these. Adorable. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then look at her bag. She's got a pretty bow right there with a cupcake. I love this paper, Doodlebug. They have the cutest paper. All right, so I'm just gonna open up the inside. Oh, she's got a little mixer in here for me that says love, so sweet. And she's got a few other little things in here, so I'm just gonna pull them out. Oh, and it says, hello, sweet cake, love you. Oh, and these are some handmade embellishments. Absolutely love them, and they say yum. They're like little banners. Oh, those are cute, Sophia. Oh, and that one says delight, and that one says yum. So I could put those on a package too for my baked goodies. Thank you, I love those. And then here is her memory decks card, and she used one of these, like, what are these bags called? Oh my gosh, I can't even think. But what she did was she used that stamp that was from Michael's this year. I didn't pick this one up, but she embossed the bag. And it says love, and then she's got all this pretty sequins on the front. So, so pretty. Love it. Okay, let's take out her memory decks card. Oh my gosh, she did a shaker. Oh my gosh, I love it, Sophia. And it says fabulous. That is absolutely adorable. So she took, she must have cut an image from the paper from Michael's from the Valentine's Day collection, and then she created her own shaker with seed bead sequins and then some really cute lips. Let me just see if I can get a little closer so you guys can see all the sequins in there. Oh, I love that, Sophia. And then she used that really cute banner die, and she's got all these tiny little hearts. And then I think she used Nuvo drops, or maybe the Perfect Pearls on the bottom of her card. I'll have to go back and watch her whole video, because I was telling people when they posted their video responses that I was happy that they did the video response, but I really wanted to be surprised. So I would pause the video. So I didn't watch it all the way through, but I will go back and watch. And she's got a cute little bow right there. I love this. This is so cute. Oh, thank you, Sophia. All right, I'm gonna cover up her information, but here is her name. She's PaperSweets here on YouTube, and she's Sophia, and she's PaperSweets09 on Instagram. You guys go check out her channel and her feed on Instagram. You will not be disappointed. Super creative lady, and I need to get some of this bling. You have to tell me where you got that from, because I would really like to have some of that. It's so pretty. Thank you, Sophia. And let me just open up her card. I'm getting so excited. Oh, you got one of those presses. I'm gonna try that. It's a seal and it says love you. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. I hope I'm focused. Look at that, you guys. Oh, so cute. All right, so let's open up her card. Oh, it says love, and it's that stamp from Michaels. It's so pretty. Now I wish I would have picked it up. She's embossed it. She's got stickles on the inside, and then I don't know if she colored it in with a pen. And then she's got that really pretty bling right there, which I'm loving. I love that. Let me just open it up. It says, Erica, congrats on 11,000 subbies. Oh my, OMG. That's amazing, because you are all kinds of fabulous, GF, girlfriend. Hope you had a beautiful Valentine's Day. Love, Sophia. Oh, thank you, Sophia. Love you, girl. Thank you for participating. I absolutely love your entry. And let me just share with you, I didn't even share this, you guys. I got so excited. She has another bag of handmade embellishments. And oh my gosh, I want to take them out. So just give me 1 second. Let me get my scissors so we can look at her handmade embellishments. I don't want to cut the bag. Okay. But this is so cute. I got to take it out. And I love the packaging. Look at the top. She did the XOXO and another stamped image. And she's got a little heart in the middle. And I love that trim right there. It's really pretty. Love it. Okay, let me see if I can take it out. Oh my gosh, girl, you got this on lock. Okay. Oh, there we go. And I like the way, I love that embossing folder that you use. That's really, really pretty. Look at that, you guys. These are all handmade embellishments. She did the little ticket strips, and it says hugs and forever. And then she's got this cute little, like a, not a doily, but the scalloped circle, and it says hello. And then look, she crochets, and look at those hearts that say I love you lots. Oh, Sophia, those are so pretty. I can't wait to use these on a project. And then look at that cute little airplane, and it says always and forever. Oh, I love your creativity, girl. You know that. So super sweet. Thank you for those extra embellishments. I truly appreciate it. And I will put them to use on a project for sure. All right, guys, I am going to put Sophia's entry off to the side, and I'm going to share with you one more entry. And this one comes from a long-time subscriber, you guys. She's been a subbie of mine for a while. She has participated in my challenges before, and this is from Nitasha Griffin. Hey girl, thank you so much for sending an entry. I love the way you packaged up your bag. And look at her topper. Look how big it is, you guys. She's got a die that said, or she used a scalloped square or rectangle, and it says enjoy, and then she used a stamp or a sticker right there. And then I love the sequins trim and the crepe paper. That is an adorable bag topper. I love it. Thank you so much for doing that. It's so pretty. Okay, so here is her entry, and it says, hey, so this is her card. Congrats on 11K subbies. That's simply awesome. I really enjoyed digging into my stash and creating for your challenge. Hope you enjoy my entry. Thank you, Nitasha. Aw, thank you, girl. And that's super cute. I love that card. All right, so let me open up her. Oh my goodness, she's got it all locked down too with washi tape. Oh my goodness. So here is her loaded bag, or her mini bag, I should say, and it's absolutely adorable. It says, it's a wonderful day. She's got some really pretty gold washi tape on the bottom, and she's got really pretty like denim trim right here with that pretty bow, I think from Hobby Lobby. Okay, you guys, I really love her creativity, and I wish she could post like more videos. I know that she's a school teacher, so she doesn't get a lot of time to do that, but I love her creativity, you guys. She's so creative. So definitely check out her channel and her Instagram. When she shares, it's just adorable. So, oh my gosh, how super cute is this? It says mix of the month. Ingredients, 100% pure sweetness. She's got these tiny little stickers that say sugar, and then look at the cookie jar, which is a stamped image, and it's dimensional on dimensional sticker or adhesive. And then look at the cute little doodlebug stickers, and it's a mixtape, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is so creative. That is adorable. And then look at the back. Sprinkled with love, and then it has Erica. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love this. And then she's got it with the twine so I can attach it. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to hoard one of these. I love this. This is so creative. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then this is the second one, and it says baking is my jam. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then she's got the cute doodlebug paper. And look at the cookie with the little bow, and she's even got a tiny heart bow on top of her little bow on the cookie. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. So cute. And then look at this. It says fresh baked with love. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then it has a to and from on it. That is so cute. And then here's the back. Is this a die? You'll have to tell me. That is so cute. I love it. Thank you, Nitasha. Oh, I love that. So she's got a few little goodies in here. I'm just going to take them out. Okay, that's part of her bag. Look at how she had embellished the inside of the bag, and she used some chipboard stickers and a banner die. That's absolutely adorable. So she sent me some little bits. So thank you for that. Best day ever. Yes, I'm so excited. So let's look at her memory decks card. And I like how you did all your little crinkly paper on the inside. She stuffed it. So cute. Oh, and then this is the back of her bag. It says bye-bye. Handmade by Nitasha, made in Texas. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love your entry, girl. So here is her beautiful memory decks card, and it says shine, and she used one of those Polaroid dies, I believe, and it says shine like the whole universe is yours. And she's got it layered with all these pretty flowers, and oh, it's gorgeous. I love it, Nitasha. Love it. I love your style. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I can share the back. She doesn't have her address in there. So there is her name, and her YouTube channel is Griffin Girl, and her Instagram is McGriffster. So you guys show her some love and check out her channel and her YouTube feed. Thank you, Nitasha. I love this. And I think, oh, okay, on the inside, okay, perfect. On the inside, she has her address, so she has a pocket. So I'm not gonna pull it out because her address is on that, but I love that you did that. So thank you so much. Oh, I can pull this out. Look, it has her address and her name. So the address is on the back of that, which I won't share, but oh, thank you, thank you. All right, you guys, show these ladies some love. Leave them a comment and tell them what you think. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will be back. I have more entries to share, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.